As part of the Sofia project, funded by the European Artemis program, a smart home pilot was conducted at the Experience Lab of Philips Research in Eindhoven in the Netherlands. 21 participants were recruited for a user study and were presented with the following scenario. When Sofia enters the room, her presence is detected and the functional lighting turns on. Sofia selects a book from her bookcase and sits down to read, wondering what her two friends, Mark and Dries, are up to. The wall wash lighting in the house of Mark and Dries also turn on when they enter their living room. Sensors on the wall update the semantic information broker with presence information, and the wall wash lighting, being subscribed to these kinds of events, responds when their presence is detected. Mark takes out his mobile phone to play a song for Dries. While they are listening to the music, Mark explains to Dries that the music player can be connected to the lighting device in the room to render the mood of the music. This is achieved using the white connector object lying on the table. There is a tag on the mobile phone that Dries scans using the connector object. 4 light segments on the object turn on in sequence, indicating that the mobile phone is recognized. Dries walks over to the lighting device and holds it up to its tag, where a second light sequence lights up. The light segments flash green, indicating that a connection is possible, and Dries presses the connector object to make the connection. The lighting device renders a lighting pattern based on the music. Back at her place, Sofia notices that Mark and Dries are listening to music, as the same lighting pattern is rendered on her lighting device as well. She would like to know what music they are listening to, and picks up her spotlight navigation device. As she picks it up, the functional lighting in the room dims down to allow the spotlight navigation to project an image on the wall. Using an augmented reality approach, the light in the sound system is visualized, and she draws a connection between the two using the spotlight navigation device. The same music that is playing at Mark and Dries is now also playing on her sound system. Since users are directly in control of the connections between the objects, Mark and Dries can also break the connection between the mobile phone and the lighting device. Mark scans the phone's tag again using the connector object and waits for the light sequence to complete. He then goes back to the lighting device and scans the other tag. A solid green light indicates that the devices are connected. He then pulls the connector object, breaking the connection between the two devices. The wall wash lighting in the room turns back on.